So in the next video, you're going to get to see this thing with some pretty paint on it. I think you guys are going to really like it. Alright, the log arch is painted. I think it turned out really well. I'm going to show you just a little bit more about the log arch. It is finished. I really don't think I need anything else for it. I'm going to do a little walk around and show you some of the things that I done to it to actually make it a little better for me. I did buy some bicycle handle grips to put on these, and I have one here and one on the other side to pick up the back of the arch and move it around. And I also put one up here in the front to be able to lift the log up and put it on the back of your four-wheeler. So I think that worked out real well. All the tubing, all this tubing is old railing, as you've seen in the video. I paid absolutely not one penny for one piece of metal on this whole entire log arch. So we do have the old winch on it. I have a brand new winch, but I'm not going to put it on because I like this old one. It gives a character. We have on mine a little bit different. I put binders on mine, so I'm able to suck it up against the teeth on the bottom. Those teeth on the bottom are what's going to hold that log into place once I get it up tight against there. And these pieces come in and out, as you guys seen in the video. And we cut these and made these. They just slide in and out. Pretty simple. The paint is been drying for a couple days, so it's not too bad. Alright, there's the primer. We're going to use a Rust-Oleum Rusty primer, this one here, and where we can't get with the brush, we'll just spray a little bit of primer on there. Julie got herself some gloves and some brushes here. Just some junk brushes because we'll probably throw them away when we're done. Alright, we got the binders painted up there, and Julie got all the log arch painted, and man, it really looks nice. Looks different with a little bit of paint on it for sure. I put the cable winch through this thing here, but I will be taking out this top one. I'm going to take this roller out. I don't need that roller in there. I'm not going to be pulling, that cable's never going to be going up. It's always going to be facing down. And that'll allow me to get this piece right here through there if I need to take it up on that side and go down and pull the log up from that side. Okay, now we have another binder in the back, and this is going to hold the log up in the back, and we're able to just pull our chain up and slide in any link that we want. That chain will go in any link, just whatever we want. And I also put hooks on the links. I put hooks on them just in case we want to drag something out of the woods. We got two perfectly fine chains, one here and one up there, we can use for that. The wheels were off of an old Jacobson riding mower. The hubs, I bought the hubs and the spindles, and you can see where we welded the hubs, or welded the spindles in. I did a video on that. Actually, every piece of this log arch is on video. If you haven't seen it, check out my channel, go to playlist, it says log arch build, you'll be able to see it. The toolbox, I wanted a toolbox on here, so all the chains and the binders All the chains and binders will go in the toolbox. And I also welded a couple of the chain hooks, a couple of these these links. I welded one on this side and I welded one over here, right there on that side, so I can put a bungee cord over top of that, because I may not leave this on where I have to leave it sit. That way I can take my toolbox back home. One thing I want to share with you guys here in the back, I'm going to have to put this camera on the tripod so I can share it with you. Hold on. Now this piece here is something I came up with myself. I have this piece of rebar. I got a little bit of a point on this, and it has got a link. One of the links I cut and welded right onto the rebar. That way we can shove this up underneath the log, because some places it might be a little tight to get something up under the log. So this, I'm hoping, will work. We'll see. We'll see how this works out in the future. I will do a video on this log arch working, no doubt. I can't today because it's raining and I don't have a log to haul in it at this point. So the log arch is done. I'm not sure how much weight it will haul, but it is designed to carry, what do you want, little guy? It's designed to carry a 26-inch log. Will it do it? I don't know, and I doubt it. I'm not sure. But I'll show you some little clips of where we were building this log arch. In case you haven't seen the build, you'll be able to see it. I'm going to take you up to the front. What you want, kitty? I have a little friend here. Look, come here. Come here, kitty. What you doing? Wonder who are you? Where'd you come from? I don't even know where you come from. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know what you're doing, but hang around if you want. Catch a mouse or something. So let's go up to the front here. Now I may eventually, and I probably will, put a set of chains up here to hook to your truck, because I don't know if I can pull this thing down the road, but I'm going to. On these back roads, if I they get a storm or something, you get a big tree down, I want to be able to take this thing and take it on the back road and pick up a log, maybe. You never know. So a little view of it from the front. It's kind of hard to get a whole entire picture of this log arch because it's so big. This thing is supposed to haul up to a 26-inch log, and it'll haul a 13-foot log perfectly in it, evenly balanced in there. Oh, yeah, that's a big log. We'll see how it works. I will definitely do a video on this thing out and working. And I hope you guys all go and check out the build, the videos on the build of this, because it was a fun project. I think the cat found something to play with here. You like steel? You like metal too? Yeah, I like metal too. Yeah, I do. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.